In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect a GPT assistant to WhatsApp. Before you start, you will need a WhatsApp Cloud API number connected to WOZTELL, and also to have your account on the OpenAI platform at hand. Within the WOZTELL platform, go to the Builder section and access the Template Gallery. In the gallery, search for the chatbot with GPT Assistant's template and install it. Choose an organization to proceed to the configuration screen. In another tab, access your account on the OpenAI platform. In the Assistant section, select your GPT Assistant and copy its ID. Paste it within the configuration screen on the WOZTELL platform. Now, navigate to the API Keys section and generate a new key. Make sure to copy it somewhere safe, since you will not be able to see it again. Return to WOZTELL once again and fill in the corresponding field. To generate your WOZTELL token, access the WOZTELL platform in a new tab. Click on Settings and then on Access Tokens. In the Access Tokens section, tick the box for Token for OpenAI Assistant Chatbot. At the bottom of the page, click Generate and copy your WOZTELL token. Go back to the configuration screen and complete the last field. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Install. If you have several channels on your account, you will be shown an additional screen to select in which channel and environment to connect it. All done! Your GPT chatbot is now installed. This step is optional, but we recommend testing your chatbot. Go to Channels and send a message to the WhatsApp number containing the chatbot. This way, you can check that everything is working correctly. That's it. You can find more information in our knowledge base. See you next time.